How to make YouTube video with ChatGPT. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be giving you a tutorial on how to make a YouTube video with ChatGPT in minutes. So let's get into it. So first of all, we'll simply go to openai.com, and here you can click on try ChatGPT and it'll take you to chat.openai.com. Now we know ChatGPT is an amazing AI that we have with a lot of different capabilities, and we can create scripts, we can write essays with ChatGPT and more. So today I'll actually show you, if you have a YouTube channel and you struggle with new video ideas, you struggle with YouTube titles, the scripts, then ChatGPT will help you create your YouTube videos. So let's get into the process. First of all, you need to sign up for ChatGPT, and you have, so this is where you will land. So whatever channel you have, whatever niche you have on YouTube, you will of course create videos in that niche. So let's say that we have a software niche and I have like these tutorial videos. So I want to get some ideas about my new videos. I am running out of ideas. I need new ideas, new titles, SEO friendly script, and more. So with ChatGPT, what we'll do is we'll create a new chat here. And the first step is going to be getting YouTube video ideas. So what I'll do is I'll give it a command. So I have added generate 10 YouTube video ideas about CRM software. So that's what I want to do. But here you will add whatever you want to add, such as, beauty video ideas and something like this. Now we'll give ChatGPT the command. So here we have our results. You can see we have 10 video ideas, and these are all actually pretty good. We got beginner's guide to CRM software, top 5 CRMs, how to use CRM softwares, customizing, integrating. Then we have some of the platforms, comparisons, and more. So these are actually new ideas to me, and I haven't, created like a beginner's guide yet, or I haven't actually created this like top 5 CRM and, stuff like that. Now, these are all looking pretty good, but I'm impressed with the second one, top 5 CRM software features you should know about. And then we also have this one, how to use CRM software to increase sales and productivity. So let's actually go with the third one for our new YouTube video. Now, we can either go with this, title, or I can generate titles for this idea. So what I'll do is I'll just go for generate 5 YouTube titles for number 3. So you can see now I'll just give it a command, generate 5 YouTube titles for number 3, because ChatGPT has the ability to read our previous conversation, so it will fetch the information from here. So here we have our results. You can see we have 5 YouTube titles now, and these titles are SEO friendly and eye-catching. So now you can see we have boost your sales with CRM software, a step-by-step tutorial. Then we have 5 ways to CRM softwares. Now you can see you will generate, titles according to your niche. That's what I'm actually telling you again and again. But the results are actually amazing. So you can see we have the first one. I think the first one actually looks pretty good. So I'll go with the first one. Now, what I'll do is I'll ask ChatGPT to generate an outline for me. Generate an outline for a script for 5-minute video on number 1 title. So you can just write anything here, and we will ask it to write an outline first. And ChatGPT will take like few seconds to generate an outline. We can also give specific commands to ChatGPT, such as you can see I asked it to write like a 5-minute script. And now you can see it's generating everything. We're getting all of these different outline, the data, everything. Okay, perfect. So now we got this outline, which looks good, and I can, see if I want to regenerate or not. Introduction, understanding, getting started. Then we got navigating, customizing, conclusion. Okay, it looks good. So now I will ask ChatGPT to write a script for me. So we'll just go with generate a script for this outline. And now ChatGPT will write the script for me, everything, and you will be able to see this is going to be a YouTube script that I will write in minutes using ChatGPT. And here we have our script ready. You can see this is a 5-minute video script that I generated with ChatGPT. Now you can actually review it a little bit if you want to. You can actually, check it out, read it, and you can see in minutes we have a script ready. So this is the first thing that we can do with ChatGPT. Now, this is the basic ChatGPT that you can use for free. But if you go with the ChatGPT Plus, now you can even generate the footage with it. So that actually makes your work more easier. And even with ChatGPT 5, we can even go with the videos. So that's actually insane. So you can actually go to the upgrade version of ChatGPT and you will be able to do that. But if you have the free plan, still you can generate the script. This is actually the hard part, I think. And then what we can do is we can use another AI to actually create a video, such as Pictory or InVideo. I personally use Pictory AI as well. So what happens is these platforms, these AI have this option to generate videos with a script, turn text into video. So that's actually really easy. Now I can just copy and paste this text into an AI and I'll be able to simply generate a video, and then it becomes more easier. Now we have a script, I can just do the voiceover myself and even use Murph AI, any other a voice changer or voice generating AI to generate the voiceover. You do that, and then you have a video that your editor, if you already have an editor that can edit the video for you with the footage, so the work actually becomes really easy, and ChatGPT helps you with this. Once your video is ready, now you can simply go to YouTube and you can upload your video. But we can actually use ChatGPT for even uploading. How does that work? Well, when it comes to uploading, you will be able to even generate a description for the video that you just created. For instance, I'm uploading the video and I want to write a description. So we can ask ChatGPT for that. For instance, write a brief description for this video. We can even generate the tags with this in SEO friendly, description and tags. Write a brief description for this video. So now it will write a description for me too. So we can actually use ChatGPT from getting an idea to even uploading. So that's like a complete package we're getting with the free version of ChatGPT. So here we have our description. You can see I'll be able to copy and paste in this tutorial video. Will provide a beginner's guide to CRM softwares and more. So you can see this is the description, which looks pretty good. And now I'll be able to upload a video on YouTube. So when it comes to the footage, I'll actually recommend you can write the script with ChatGPT and do the voiceover yourself. And when it comes to the footage, you can go for a copyright free footage. You can go to Pexels and get the footage for the script that you wrote, or you can, ask your editor to simply use any of the tools that they do. So this way, actually, YouTube even will not have any problem, because sometimes we see there is a problem in if it detects an AI. So you can actually even avoid that and use a real footage for the script that you generated with ChatGPT. But you can see here, if you have no idea of a new YouTube video, then you can simply generate ideas, generate titles, write the script, and get started with the new video for your YouTube channel. I hope this works for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.